Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Amber and we are a homeschooling family of 2 kiddos ages 8 and 13. If you are new here, we have pretty much just moved into the house that we're in. We lived in our other house for 10 years. I'll tell you what, that was a lot of stuff to move. 10 years of junk, basically. And then we also own a business, so moving all of that. And we actually haven't moved all of it because some of it's still at my grandparents'. We had a storage shed on their property because we didn't have anywhere to put it in the house that we lived in. So eventually that will all come over here, which is literally like half a mile down the road from my grandparents'. But we are hopefully going to be closing on our old house before the new year, but with the holidays coming up, we will see how that works out. But yeah, enough chit chat. Let's get on with the video. We've got a bit of snow. We got snow. Lot of snow.
Up, 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 up.
What, plow?
What's that? Why isn't it down?
Because we want to. Oh, because that's not his road. He does like residential stuff. I see him. I'm just pulling up. Oh yeah, this ain't good. The roads are not good at all. They haven't plowed any of them. There are no plows out yet. Well, I am staying where the tracks are.
So you don't make your own tracks.
Or I don't slide off into the ditch.
If you did, I would. My barbecue is off the road of this driveway. You can see
Gosh, I can't see nothing.
what?
There we go.
Hi guys. There's snow all over their car,
Yep, that's for sure.
even in their hair, and in their car. Down this side on these tracks. Okay. Welcome back. Snow. It's hardening on this car. What is this sound? Oh, that's what that sound is.
What, us driving on the...
No, that. It's the bat.
Oh. Holy snow! Holy snow!
Happy. Guy's definitely not driving tonight.
No, he does not need to be driving tonight. Not at all.
Baby's doing good.
Your baby's doing good? Yeah.
He's just chilling with me.
Don't you know it's a little cold for what she's wearing? Where's her little socks?
I don't have big enough. Little bit stuff.
You can't leave your cart in the middle. No. In the middle of the aisle. You paying for it? With your $6?
It's actually $6.99, but okay. Good. What's wrong with this penguin?
He's cold. He's got googly eyes. Look at him. That's funny.
You guys can
Oh no.
see.
You do it on the floor? Does he have a button? You may not.
I think he's supposed to do this.
Is it on his... No, that's a button. That's like an actual button. I don't know that he does anything. I think he's just... It just says holiday greeter. I don't know that he does anything. Pick a different one.
But
What are you doing? You did take your baby. I don't know. Your baby's been baby napped. Yeah. There's not a whole lot to look at here. Let's go over where all the trees are.
Giant Santa. That's one.
Yeah. Hey, you gotta go in the pretty way. Does he not work? I love that tree. It looks like there's snow on it. This is cool, the lights.
Wait. Keep an eye.
But is it pre-lit?
Keep
Yeah,
an eye on her,
pre-lit.
mommy.
We need to replace Mama's Santa Claus with that guy. Not that one. Is he creepy looking? Ew, no. He's like a... I don't know what. Yeah. You weren't expecting it to turn on, were you? All right, baby. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much.
I'm going in. I have no gloves on.
I have one glove on. So we don't have a washer and dryer yet, so I had to bring it over to my grandparents, the laundry, and we had like 6 or 8 inches of snow yesterday, and it is like 0 but feels negative 19. So we are taking laundry to my grandma's and then picking up clean laundry. And then we're gonna go back home. I'm gonna fix dinner and we're just gonna stay in for the rest of the night. It's like almost 6 o'clock, so we're gonna get this done and then get back home and eat and then do baths and showers and just hang out and probably watch Christmas movies. Alright guys, thank you so very much for hanging out with us this week. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did and you are not subscribed, I would appreciate it if you would do so. And we will probably not have a video next week because of Christmas. So I want to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas for those of you that do celebrate it. And we'll see you the week after. Bye guys.